Today we are back with a new arrival from GVM. It's called the GVM SD300D. It's a dual color 300 watts single COB LED chip. And we should go straight to an in-depth review, unboxing and understand if this light is made for your production. I am your host Mauro and you are watching MAURO'S Films. If you didn't know, GVM stands for Great Video Maker, and I'm actually using their lights for my backlights, and they're actually their panel lights just out of my frame from this side and from this side, so I get that great backlight situation right here. We are now ready to get straight to the GVM and make firstly an unboxing. This is their new single chip COB light that outputs an outstanding amount of power. 300 watts, and it's in dual color, so you can choose your color temperature from 2700 kelvins all the way up to 7500 kelvins. And let's get straight to this unboxing. You will get the GVM light in this great social case, so you have an easy time to carry it around. Inside you'll find the power cable, the power adapter, the reflector, instruction manual. In this set you get also additional stuff just like this 60 cm GVM softbox. This softbox is not a quick release, but it will do the job, and you get also the included soft diffusion with the grates. With this kind of lights you barely never get a tripod light stand, but with this package you actually get a really great big tripod stand, so you can actually be ready to film with this setup just ordering this set, because you get a light stand, your light refractor, and actually a softbox to start on. Let's go straight to some actual specs about this light. This is a really light COB fixture. Even if it's stated that the build components are aluminum alloy or plastic, the outer shell, handle and most of the shell parts are made out of hard plastic material, painted in aluminum. But the most important parts like bow and mount barrel, light stands are made out of metal, so it will last longer and you don't have to worry about it. This light weighs only 3.1 kilos, so it will be great and will not break your back when going on field productions when you're needing to carry around multiple lights. This will be actually your lightweight light to carry around with a power of 300 watts. The CRI rating for this light is 97, with 12,000 lux at 1 meter distance without the reflector. On the back you'll find the control knobs and buttons to control this light with DMX, DC in and power switch. This light is designed around a fan and radiator that dissipates the heat on top of the light. I can confirm that you can use this light also with a studio recording environment, and yes, the microphone is just like 15 centimeters from my face and it's not able to pick up any noise from the fan inside. You will be able to make increments of 1% in a scale from 0 to 100 and select the Kelvin value from a scale of 2700 kelvins all the way up to 7500 kelvins, making it really cool. Most of the lights in this price category goes up to 6500 kelvins, so get more reach in that cooler segment of the light spectrum. You will be able to use the light in master mode, slave mode, and select up to 12 channels, or use it with your dedicated GVM Bluetooth app. App is called GVM LED 2, and the light will actually get recognized by BT/LED. The app is actually laid out pretty well, and you will be able to select the brightness with the control knob, power of the light and the Kelvin selection. And on the side you'll find the channel selection. On the scene modes you will be able to mimic some of the effects like lightning, strobe, candle, TV, bed bulb, explosion, fireworks, paparazzi with the brightness control. You will be able also to make specific scenes and add more lights, saving the pre-made scenes. This light is actually pretty well spec'd with the tripod and softbox. At today's price I see it discounted is just $449 USD on the Amazon US store. And this is pretty much a really competitive light if you look other lights in this price segment. Actually, it's really hard to beat this 300 watt output cob light. with the effects and Kelvin value. I will fully recommend this light if you need a higher wattage output system that will actually do everything just like my previously tested iFootage for 40% less money with some cost saving designs that will not affect your light output. Later on you can actually get a bigger softbox because you get included in 60 centimeters, and this light is really powerful and you can actually diffuse better your light with a bigger softbox just like mine that I'm using right now, and 90 centimeter softbox from this side and then 60 centimeter softbox to illuminate this product. Yes, you have a lot of options and we save some money with this light to get you additional accessories. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer to all of them. And in the first link in the description, you will also get this light and check the store, and you can order this light right now. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.